Upravlja li svijetom tajna organizacija znana kao Bilderberg grupa?
Dobrodošli natrag. Nudili su mu milijune samo da ne objavi knjigu, a njegovu izdavaču bjanko-ček i otkup prava. Na autora knjige Istinita priča o družbi Bilderberg, bivšeg ruskog kontraobavještajca Daniela Estulina, nisu uspjeli podmititi. Tko su svjetski moćnici koji nam, kako tvrdi autor, rade o glavi, doznao je Klaudio Kramarić u razgovoru s Estulinom.
Bilderberg grupa je tajna organizacija koja okuplja svjetske moćnike. Kao njezini članovi spominju se britanska kraljevska obitelj, vodeći ljudi MMF-a, centralne banke Amerike i Europe, kao i čelni ljudi naftnih kompanija. Uznemirujući je podatak, kaže naš sugovornik, da su u grupi mnogi vodeći članovi raznih medija koji kontroliraju što se i kako iznosi u javnost. Cilj Bilderberg grupacije jest potpuna dominacija svijetom.
It's not a secret society, it's not a monolith, meaning that it's not a group of people that sits together holding hands, planning the world's future. It is literally a group of people who share a common ideology. That ideology is ideology of One World Company Limited.
U spomenutoj grupi navodno je 120 članova. Nemaju službeno ime, a naziv Bilderberg dobili su po nizozemskom hotelu u kojem su se 1954. prvi put sastali.
As far as the names are concerned, David Rockefeller is obviously the enemy. The president of the International Monetary Fund is the enemy. International Monetary Fund as an organization is the enemy. World Bank is an enemy.
Bivši kontraobavještajac pojašnjava na koji način navodna tajna organizacija djeluje.
They don't need to control money, they just need to control people, okay? Because they have everything else. By destroying the world, what they're doing is they're taking money out of people's hands. And if you can take money out of people's hands, okay, you can render them worthless, which is exactly what 1929 was. It wasn't a Great Depression. It was simply a transfer of wealth. We, the people, lost our wealth, our equities, our homes, our monies, our stocks, but somebody got it. The JP Morgans, the Rockefellers, the Loebs, they came along, and they scooped it up for pennies on the dollar.
Bilderberg skupina svoj posao odradila je na Kosovu, tvrdi Estulin. Stvar je počela kreditiranjem.
It gets to the point where you can't pay it back. Now, when you cannot pay it back, the economic hitmen come in who represent Bilderberg, and they say, well, you can't pay it back, it's just too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to take over, such as, for example, in the case of Kosovo, we're going to take over Trepka, and we're going to take all the minerals and all the diamonds, and it's going to be ours. Or we're going to take your oil supply, and you're going to sell it to us cheaply so you can pay back your debt. And before you know it, under the thumb of the people who control the world.
A što je sa Europskom unijom?
My advice to Croatia is stay the hell out of European Union unless you want to be fourth-rate citizens.
Iako kaže da se igra s vatrom kada govori o Bilderberg skupini, naš sugovornik tvrdi da se ne boji.